Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Today you are about to witness something so shocking, so extraordinary, that it will completely change the way you look at trucks forever. This is not just a truck. This is the Golden Palace on wheels, a futuristic glass house truck that redefines travel. Imagine standing in front of a gigantic semi-truck, its entire body painted in a shiny metallic gold finish, sparkling under the sunlight like a moving piece of treasure. But wait, it's not just the outside that makes it a jaw-dropper. This beast is literally a luxury home on wheels, with massive tinted glass windows running across its body, making it look like a golden moving skyscraper. This is the kind of vehicle that doesn't just turn heads. It stops traffic wherever it goes. Step inside and you'll feel like you just walked into a millionaire's private suite. The first thing you see is a lavish living area, equipped with leather sofas, LED lighting, and panoramic windows that give you breathtaking views of the outside world. It's like sitting in a 5-star lounge, except this lounge can move across highways, mountains, and even deserts. Move into the luxury bedroom, complete with a king-sized bed, golden accents, and soft lighting that makes the space glow at night. This isn't a sleeper cab like you see in regular trucks. This is a full-on luxury hotel room traveling with you wherever you go. But that's not all. This golden beast comes with a modern washroom, featuring a glass shower, marble finishes, and golden lighting details. Yes, you heard that right. A full luxury bathroom inside a truck. And if you're hungry, there's a mini kitchen with a compact stove, fridge, microwave, and plenty of cabinet space, so you can cook on the go. The trailer itself has been transformed into a futuristic glass mansion on wheels, making it one of the longest and most luxurious semi-trucks in the world. From the outside, those giant panoramic windows reflect the sky, the clouds, and the city lights at night, making it look like a rolling golden diamond. Now let's talk about presence. When this truck rolls into a city, people don't just look at it. They pull out their phones, they take pictures, they post it online, and within minutes it goes viral. It's more than a truck. It's a status symbol, a palace on wheels, and a futuristic vision of what luxury travel could be. So ask yourself this: would you dare to drive the Golden Palace on wheels if you had the chance? Because one thing is for sure, this isn't just transportation. This is the future of luxury living on the move. If you enjoyed this jaw-dropping reveal, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane futuristic vehicles, and share this video with your friends so they can see the truck that redefines the meaning of luxury. Because my friends, this is not just a truck, this is the Golden Palace on wheels.